Well, what a fantastic day it's been here in Leicestershire. I really am absolutely chuffed to finally get to the milestone in my career that over the last 15 years I've actually now sown over 10 acres of wildflower meadow. So I am chuffed to bits. Thank you so much to everybody that supported me. It really has been quite an incredible journey to get here. So many habitats that I've created that are now obviously giving back to the natural world and providing shelter, food, and habitat for thousands of species of birds, insects in general, but butterflies, bees, moths, bats, dragonflies, you name it, everything benefits from a wildflower meadow, mammals. So I really am absolutely over the moon to reach this milestone, and thank you so much to all the charities that I've been fortunate enough to work with over the years, and in particular the support from the likes of the British Dragonfly Society, Bat Conservation Trust and Plant Life, to name a few. So many, but those are just a few. And yeah, a really big shout out to you for all the support you've given me on social media and encouragement to carry on and do as many or make as many habitats as possible for wildlife. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, but it won't stop there. I vow to do everything I can to make as many more acres of wildflower meadow as possible up and down the UK. That's everywhere from Scotland to the south coast, Wales to the east coast. I promise I will keep doing my bit, and I'm sure you guys can too. And thanks so much to you all that are creating all these habitats for wildlife. It really means a lot to me to know that many more of you are fighting for wildlife in general in your own back gardens, because that's where conservation starts, on your own doorstep. So thank you so much. If you want to buy any of the wildflower seeds, plants, plugs that I talk about on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, all the social media channels, do check out wildyourgarden.com, where you'll find a wealth of information and products there to help you create these very valuable habitats. Thanks so much for the support. I'll see you soon.